my god, I'm so excited. This is one of my most favorite videos that I've ever filmed because I've been waiting for this moment for like 2 years. I started my YouTube channel in May 2016 and I was consistent and then I wasn't consistent and now I'm like somewhere in the middle. I get 1 to 2 videos out a week and I've been trying to hit 1,000 subscribers for a while now. So last Sunday, I was at the Darius Rucker concert here in Jacksonville and I hit 1,000 subscribers and I was just like over the moon excited. So I wanted to do a small giveaway as a small token of my appreciation for all of your support. I hope that you guys know how much your support means to me. It really, really means the world. This YouTube channel is so important to me and I wish that I could put like 100 hours a week into this thing if I didn't have there's a full-time job that gets in the way of that. But I love making content. I love interacting with you guys and watching your channels. A lot of the people who I talk to in the comments and on Instagram, you all have new YouTube channels yourself and I love watching your videos, so it's so much fun interacting with you. And yeah, so we're gonna be doing a small little giveaway. So one of you lucky subscribers will be getting a Mrs. Meyer's gift set in one of the fall scents. It's in Mum. If you haven't tried that one before, it smells amazing and it's cute packaging, so it'll look good around your house right now for the fall. So I'm pulling it up right here. I'm gonna insert a picture for you because I know that if I hold my phone up, it's just not gonna turn out very good. But it comes with the seasonal hand soap, so the Mum hand soap, dish soap, and then the multi-surface cleaner, and then it also comes with some paper towels. I'm actually going to be doing this off of Grove Collaborative. I'm not working with them, I'm not partnered with them or anything like that. I've actually never ordered from them before, but I thought that this would just be an easy way for me to ship it to you. So the rules for entering the giveaway are pretty easy. Number 1, you need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and then you also need to go over to Instagram and just follow me there. On October 6th, it's a Saturday, the day that this video is going live, I'm gonna post a photo and in the caption it'll have something to the effect of 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Make sure you like that photo, comment down below and say that you want to enter the giveaway and that you follow me on YouTube, and that's all you need to do. So I'll have the details down in the description bar down below. It's pretty easy. Just follow me in both places, on YouTube and on Instagram. Like and comment on that photo in Instagram. And that's pretty much it. You need to be over 18 years old and live in the United States. And yeah. And I guess also be willing to give me your address because I just need to know where to ship it to. So anyway, y'all, I'm so excited. Thank you so much for your support. It really, really encourages me. It keeps me going. This is my escape. I love doing YouTube. A lot of people don't understand why I do it, but I don't care. I love it. I love it so much. So thank you all so much for your support. I know I've said that 4,000 times in like 3 minutes, but I just really mean it. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. Make sure you enter the giveaway and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.